Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn conditional execution in Python. Conditional execution. In Python, conditional executions are typically expressed using keywords like if, else, and elif, short for else if. These conditions allow the program to execute different block of codes depending on whether certain conditions are true or false. Let's say you have a lot of conditions in your program and you need to express the block of codes depending on whether certain conditions are true or false. Let's say if the variable value equal to like this, then print a set of block. Then a set of block of codes. Then if the variable value equal to like this, then print a alternative statement like this. So let's talk about if statement, a block of code that will execute if its condition is true. Say if the condition is gonna true, then it will print or execute a block of code, or else it won't print anything. Let's talk about a real life example. Conditions for voting eligibility. To be eligible to vote, a person must be 18 years old or older. Okay, let's create a variable name as age equal to int input, enter your age like this. I'm asking a prompt, enter your age, and assigning value of age and getting value in integer data type. Okay, then you have to use keyword if, then a variable name, then a condition, and here you see that the person must be 18 and 18 years and older. Okay, so you need to use greater than and equal to, which is greater than and equal to 18. Say like this. Then after the if condition, at the end of if condition, you need to use colon like this. Then if you are using PyCharm or VS Code, you need to vary, because it automatically take an indentation. What is indentation? From starting white spaces, from starting four white spaces are comes, then it means indentation. And in Python, the indentation is used to specifically a block of codes like this. Okay, then print say eligible, eligible, eligible to vote. Okay, let's print it. It will ask enter your age. Let's say my age is 19. Then print, you will get eligible to vote. Okay, so it print when the condition is true, then it will print. Let's say my age is 80. Say 80, and it will print eligible to vote. Okay, what about my age is 17? Then it won't it won't print anything, because the given condition is false and there is no more conditions to express. Okay, let's talk about the next condition. There is if else statement. What is else statement? Else statement, when all conditions are false, the else statement execute a block of codes. Simple. Okay, let's move to next conditions. Okay, after the print statement, you need to give a backspace for the else statement because it's the syntax. Okay, and type the keyword else. Then else you need to type the colon. Then enter. You will get indentation. Then print say not eligible to vote like this. Then print, you will get a prompt, enter your age. Say my age is 15 and print not eligible to vote. Okay, rerun this. Say 18 you are eligible to vote, say let's print, and say my age is 2, then it will say not eligible to vote. Okay, then let's say I'm gonna print a negative number, say -1, and it will print not eligible to vote. Okay, it's correct, alright, it's correct, but here he or she puts invalid number. Negative is not in age. Okay, so let's create alternative option. Say I'm talking about the else if. The elif keyword in Python is short for else if. In simple words, elif is like a backup plan in case the first condition if isn't true. It's a way to check another condition if the first one fails without having to start a completely new if statement. Okay, let's put this inside the after the if and before the else. Okay, then backspace, then type elif like this, elif, then you need to give another value, another condition age. How we gonna say lesser than and equal to 0, and the end of the expression you need to put the colon, then indentation, print invalid age like this, invalid age, then print. It may ask enter your age, say 19. It will print everything to old. Let's print again. My age is 17. Then not eligible to vote, say age is 0. Invalid age, say -91. And sorry, 91 invalid age. Okay, okay, let's talk about senior citizens. Say my age is above 60 or 60, say 60, and it will say eligible to vote, but you need to specifically declare, oh, you are 60 years old, then you are senior citizen, say like this. Okay, let's create it by using elif statements, then put another elif like this, elif age greater than equal to 60, then print senior citizen, senior citizen like this. Okay, then print age is 61, and you will get like this, eligible to vote, but it won't show the eligible, it won't show the senior citizen. Why? Because the first if statement gonna true, because the greater than equal to 18 is true, right? The 61 is gonna get the value for age, and it where the if statement is truing. Okay, so you need to put this thing above the if statement. So just gonna cut this and put it here, and change the elif to if, and change this as elif. Okay, let's print it and you will get this correct. Say my age is now 61. It will print senior citizen, and say okay, rerun this, and say my age is 59. Then it will show eligible to vote. Okay, let's type 0 is my age, invalid age. Okay, say 17 is my age, not eligible to vote. Hope you understand. Subscribe it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.